Yo, what's up guys? What I have here is a refrigerator compressor and we will be taking it apart to look what's inside. So first we have to get it out of the refrigerator, of course. Starting off by slicing the inlet and outlet gas tubes. Next, these clips holding the compressor, but it didn't come off. So I tried it again and it came off. But it has to be continued thrice more. Then it's safe to take it out, but gently. So this is what a compressor looks like from the outside. Now slice it open. And while I slice it open, why don't you click that like and subscribe button? Also comment down what I should do next. Yep, it's taking some time. It seemed to be hot, so I used the cloth to open it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. We have two size 8 bowls and open it up. That's the electrical connection and it comes out. We have 4 size 7 screws to remove. Also for the coil, 4 size 7 bolts to remove again. It is kinda seized up to the armature. And yeah, that's the armature. So yeah, that's what's inside a refrigerator compressor. Hope you like the video. And thanks for watching.